BMT features every month in Australian Property Investor magazine, so that's great advice to investors on how they can not only get depreciation but also save money on their investment.
I'm Jim Leone from Destiny Financial Solutions in Sydney. I have no hesitation in recommending BMT to anyone who wants to maximise their on-paper deductions in their tax returns.
One of the most important things we like to do is make sure they get the best tax benefits for their property, and one of the things that helps is depreciation on a property.
And so if they buy a property the following year, hopefully they can get that depreciation report and use that money to help the negative gearing situation. So in some cases what you might find is that if you buy a property that's negatively geared, but all of a sudden, thanks to a depreciation report, they might get a few thousand back every year with the depreciation benefits, and all of a sudden a property that was once negatively geared soon becomes positively geared.
So over the years we've found that BMT Tax Depreciation Specialists have really given the best service to our clients.
And also give their tax agents very easy to understand Quantity Surveyor reports. So I've been using BMT for years myself, and you'll find that they provide fantastic value for money.
And their depreciation reports, I bought all my properties have their recommendation, and I find that the claims that I can make through BMT are more than other companies. So if you're looking for the best tax depreciation, I highly recommend BMT Tax Depreciation Specialists.
And even speaking from personal experience, we recently bought a property ourselves and used a BMT depreciation report. This property was 40 years old, so I really wasn't expecting much back. But we can actually claim $7,000 next year and $5,000 the year after, and even $4,000 the following year. We bought that property in March this year, and even already this financial year we can claim $3,000. So I was stoked with that. That's a really great result for such an old property, and you wouldn't expect to get such a great result. And also that obviously helps with our tax return. So if it's a positive cash flow property, we can claim $7,000 next financial year. Obviously that counts as a cost, so it saves us on tax, which is what every investor wants out there.